Why code documentation matters.
Clear, thorough documentation is essential for maintaining and scaling software projects. It helps new developers onboard quickly, reduces misunderstandings, and makes it easier to track changes. Automatic documentation tools save valuable time by generating up-to-date references directly from the codebase, ensuring accuracy and consistency in your project's technical guides.
Sphinx, the Python documentation standard.
Sphinx is a widely used tool for documenting Python projects. It scans your code and uses comments written in restructured text to create professional quality documents. Sphinx can output in multiple formats, including HTML and PDF, making it a favorite for open source and commercial projects alike. It also supports extensions to customize your documentation workflow.
Javadoc for Java developers.
Javadoc is the standard documentation generator for Java code, integrating seamlessly into Java development environments. It creates comprehensive HTML documents from special comments in your code. Javadoc ensures that every class, method, and field is described, helping developers navigate large code bases with ease.
Doxygen, versatile multi-language support.
Doxygen is a powerful tool for documenting C, C++, and other languages. It extracts documentation from code comments and can generate outputs like HTML, LaTeX, and NaN pages. Doxygen's flexibility and robust feature set make it ideal for cross-language projects and teams needing advanced customization.
DocFX, modern documentation for .NET.
DocFX is a popular solution for .NET projects. It generates readable, customizable documentation websites from your source code and markdown files. DocFX supports API documentation, conceptual guides, and easy publishing to web servers, making it a strong choice for teams using C# and other .NET languages.
Swagger/OpenAPI documenting REST APIs automatically.
Swagger, now part of the OpenAPI initiative, simplifies API documentation. By analyzing your code or provided API definitions, it creates interactive documentation for RESTful services. This allows developers and clients to understand, explore, and test your APIs directly from the documentation, boosting collaboration and reducing errors.
Choosing the right tool for your project.
Selecting the best documentation generator depends on your technology stack and project needs. Whether you use Python, Java, C++, .NET, or build APIs, there's an automated tool designed to help. By integrating these solutions into your workflow, you can keep your documentation accurate and accessible as your code evolves.